In this video, I'm going to show you how to create videos featuring historical figures, talking like modern-day influencers. That's right, people who are no longer alive, appearing in realistic-looking videos as if they were recording vlogs today. It's the kind of content that really grabs attention, and in some cases, even goes viral for that very reason. For example, here we have Isaac Newton. You can see he's holding a phone, recording himself, and sharing a few thoughts. Greetings, dear friends of the modern age. Today, I'd like to share a rather curious moment that occurred right here, beneath this very apple tree. As I sat in quiet contemplation, an apple rather unexpectedly fell to the ground, and it got me thinking. What force draws things downward? What governs motion itself? Funny how such a simple occurrence can spark such profound ideas. Who would have thought an apple could lead to a theory that explains the cosmos? His movements look pretty natural, just like anyone casually filming themselves for social media. So, let me show you how you can create something like this yourself. There are actually several ways to make these kinds of videos nowadays. In this tutorial, I'll show you one method, and in future videos, I'll walk you through a few other options too. Here's another example, this time featuring Zeus.
Greetings, mortals. I am Zeus, son of Cronus, ruler of Olympus and master of thunder. Many think being king of the gods is all about throwing lightning bolts, but it's also about family drama, titan battles, and eternal feasts with divine nectar. Oh, and if a cloud ruined your picnic recently, that may have been me practicing a new strike. My apologies. Or not. Remember, if you're going through a storm, it might just be me sending a message. Leave an offering, hit that like button, and comment if you want the next story to be about my gloomy brother Hades. He's got very dark tales.
As you can see, it doesn't look quite as realistic. That's partly due to the AI tool used to generate the image or the video itself. In fact, there was a mistake in this one. Notice how the background isn't moving? That's something that can happen. AI isn't perfect, and sometimes you'll need to try 2 or 3 times to get the result you're happy with. Still, I think it's an amazing tool, and it's not that hard to use. So in this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. For example, in the Zeus video, I wanted the hand to stay fixed, like he's holding the phone while vlogging. But that didn't quite work out. No big deal, I'll just regenerate it later. Alright, so let's break down the steps. First, we're going to create the image, and then we'll use that image to generate the video. In my case, I already have a prompt ready to generate the image, and I also have a short script that our character will say in the video. I used ChatGPT to help me come up with the image prompt for Cleopatra, and I also asked it to write a short dialogue as if Cleopatra were an influencer. So feel free to use ChatGPT to help you too, or come up with your own version. It's really just a matter of using your creativity. Using the prompt generated by ChatGPT, we're going to create the image. I added a few personal touches, like having the arm extended but with the hand out of frame, to give the illusion that she's holding a phone for a selfie. Here's the exact prompt I used. If you want, go ahead and take a screenshot. To generate the image, I'm using a tool called Lumen, which has become pretty popular recently. But this is just a personal preference. You can use whatever image generator you like. There are hundreds out there these days, so try different ones and see which gives you the best results. Personally, I really like the images Lumen produces, but who knows, maybe I'll find something better later. Now, let's copy our prompt and go to the Create section. Paste your prompt into the field, and I'll choose the first image style option. This one's given me the best results so far, though feel free to explore the others. For the aspect ratio, I'm going with 9:16, which is perfect for vertical videos. If you want to make horizontal content instead, just pick 16.9. There are other ratios too, just choose whatever fits your project. Where it says images per batch, I'll select 2, which is the max allowed under the free plan. This way, it'll generate 2 image options each time. Now click to generate the images, and all we have to do is wait a few seconds. Alright, the 2 images are ready. Honestly, I'm not too happy with this one. The leopard next to her looks kind of strange. So let's try again. Just paste the prompt again and regenerate until you find an image you like. Honestly, picking the right image tends to be the most time-consuming part of the process, for me at least. Alright, still not loving the leopard, so I'll tweak the prompt a bit, removing the part about the leopard and maybe the sky too, since it's not essential. Let's copy the new version of the prompt, paste it in again. And there we go! Looks better now. I'm still not 100% sure it looks like Cleopatra, so I'll generate a few more. I recommend doing the same until you find an image that fits your vision. Keep adjusting the prompt if needed. Okay, now we have to choose. I think I'll go with this one right here. I like how it turned out. I'll click to download the image. And now we're moving on to the next step. We're going to use a platform called Heijin to turn this image into a video. There's a link in the description if you want to try it out. In fact, I already made a full video reviewing Heijin in detail. You can start for free. It has a free plan that lets you create 3 videos per month like this, and the creator plan gives you up to 5 minutes of video per month using this method. If you're not happy with the results, don't worry. In future videos, I'll show you other platforms that let you do this 100% free, although they require a bit more effort. For this demo, we're going to click on the Photo to Video with Avatar 4 option. Upload the image we just created. Then, paste in the script. This is the text your character will say in the video. Now we need to pick a voice, in this case, a female voice. I'll filter the list to only show female voices. I'll just pick one randomly for now, but I recommend choosing one that fits your character and style. Next, we can add a background prompt. This is optional, but I suggest doing it to avoid the issue I had in the Zeus video, where the background was completely still. I've written a short prompt for the background, so I'll paste it in here. Now click Generate Video, and let's wait for the result. Alright, the video is ready, and honestly, it didn't take long at all. Let's watch it.
Hey, my radiant ones! Before I meet with the Roman envoy again, I had to show you the coal I'm wearing today. It's imported from India and literally blessed by the gods. Link in bio.
Let me know in the comments what you think about the result. Personally, I think it turned out pretty well. Sure, there are some things that could be improved, but overall, I like it. Like I said at the beginning, it's also possible to make these kinds of videos completely free. You'll just need to put in a little more work. If you'd like me to make a video showing how to do it for free, give this one a like so I know you're interested. And if you want to try this platform out, you can create your account by following the link in the description. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!